Greetings, YTPC. Peter Piper, NYC, with photos for a rainy day. You're about to enter another dimension, a dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into the wondrous land of imagination. Next stop, the Peter Piper NYC zone. These photos are of the past and the present, of people and things. Some of them were taken by me. One thing that all these photos have in common is that they all have a story behind them. This video was inspired by Parsimonious Piper. If you don't like this video, you can blame him. However, if you do like this video, I'll take the credit. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Peter Piper, NYC, wishing you good fortune and great piping.